how to make money by thinking of adding value. That is what I am talking to you about in this video. I make money on how to make money because I make videos on how to make money because most schools, the conventional schools, don't teach people how to make money. So people go to school and they come out and they are imagining how are they going to begin to make money. So here on this channel, once in a while, I teach you how to make money. Now, how do you make money? By thinking value or by adding value. Number one way is if there is something that is already existing product. Number one way is to create a new product. So you can sit back and think of a new product. You can think of a new product that is not in existence before, and then you think it through, and then you bring it to existence, and then you make it, and then people start buying it, and then you make money from the product. Another way to make money is to sit back and look at an already existing product and then modify it and make it better than before. So people will get to pay you because of the improvement and the advancement you've added to that product. Another way you can make money through thinking is to look at a product that has been modified and then change it. A product that is already existing and is going this way. In the second way is to improve on it. Now you don't just improve on it, you change its course. You change its course. Previously, they were making it to go the right hand side, then you make it to be the left hand side so that you can be able to maximize and change things. So what is already existing, you change it totally. These are the ways that people can pay you. Take for instance, previously there was no aeroplane. Somebody who came, they brought aeroplane. Previously there are some snacks that were not in existence when we were younger. Now those snacks are in existence. Somebody have thought about them and have produced those snacks. Also, there are some snacks that were in existence before. Some people have come and have improved on those snacks. There are some foods, there are some cars in existence before. Some people came and improved on the car. So in your own area, in your own niche, in your own area of interest, think of what you can improve upon and then improve on it, and then people will get to pay you from that. Now look at an already existing product that people are enjoying. Then look at how you can modify it in the opposite direction that people can enjoy it in this direction. And then some people that don't like that direction can also enjoy that product in the opposite direction. So these are some of the ways by which you can make money from value thinking and value addition. So sit back and think of what I have said and think critically in your own area, in your own dimension, and then think of how you are going to improve things. And then from there, you have to throw it out, make it available out here, and then at the same time, make money from it. So I have shown you the way. Take action and you are going to be glad to do. Remember, action takers are favored by the goddess of good luck. So take action and the goddess of good luck is going to favor you. Until I come your way in the next one, please, I want to follow me on this Facebook page and on my YouTube channel. Subscribe and like, share, and comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, you can ask it on this channel or on this Facebook Live, on this Facebook in the comment section. But if you now come to my DM, which you can reach me on WhatsApp 08036910988, and you're asking me some questions, I will ask you to come and ask the question here where you saw this content, or I will ask you to pay. And my services for question and answer that you want me to advise you and to share my wisdom with you is simply 10,000 naira for every 30 minutes of interaction. And if you are going to stay for ask me questions and answer, I will respond to you for 1 hour. That's going to be 20,000. And then you can continue like that in extrapolated format. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye for now.